What's up mga kokote? It's me, Kuya Michael, and welcome sa Kuwaderknows, wherein learning is the name of the game. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aming YouTube channel, pinutin mo muna ang subscribe, like, and share buttons for more updates and videos. In today's episode, which is episode number 2, we will be evaluating algebraic expressions. Pero bago yan, sagutin muna natin ang ating question noong last video, which is our end of lecture question number 1, which is itatranslate daw natin yung the product of the quotient of a number x and 5 and the difference of tries a number y and 15. Ang technique para matranslate natin dito is kailangan nating intindihin yung konsepto. So sabi sa expression na to, kailangan doon natin kunin yung product nung quotient of a number x and 5 and yung difference of tries a number y and 15. So in this context, i-divide daw muna natin yung x and 5 at kukuhanin natin yung difference sa number y and 15, saka daw natin sila pag-multiply. Para mas maging madali, kuhanin muna natin yung translation ng quotient of a number x and 5 and the difference of tries a number y and 15. Kaya ito yung kakalabasan natin. So, the solution here is hihimay-himay muna natin yung ating phrase. So, kaya siya naging x over 5 times 3y minus 15. At this point nga pala, hindi na natin pwede gamitin yung multiplication sign na mukhang x kasi malilito tayo sa ating variable na x. So, pwede natin gamitin yung bullet operation or parenthesis tulad nito. So, okay na tayo dyan. So, let us now proceed sa ating objectives. At the end of the video, you should be able to evaluate algebraic expressions when there are given values for a variable and apply the order of operations in evaluating algebraic expressions. Importante ang order of operations sa lesson na ito. In the last video, I showed you 3 algebraic expressions. Now, considering the equation here, or expression, what if we were asked to evaluate 5x squared plus 5x minus 25 when x is equal to 2? What do we do? Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng evaluating? Evaluating is when we are asked to find the value of the expression when the variable is replaced by the given number. So, kung ita-translate natin yun sa Tagalog, papalitan lang natin lahat ng x ng 2 dito sa expression na to. Ayan. Pero bago natin siya gawin, bago ko ipakita sa inyo yung steps, kailangan mo natin i-keep in mind yung mga ideas or key points na ito. In evaluating algebraic expressions, one must know their order of operations. Ang order of operations natin is yung tinatawag nating PEMDAS, which is parentheses, exponents, multiplication / division, and addition and subtraction. Ibig sabihin, unahin mo munang isolve lahat ng mga operations sa loob ng parentheses. Pagkatapos doon, i-evaluate lahat ng exponents, then perform multiplication and division from left to right. Pagkatapos doon, perform addition and subtraction from left to right. Marami pa rin nalilito na students dito sa konsepto na ito. Take a look at this example. We have 3 divided by 1 times 5 plus 6. So, sabi daw nila, kailangan daw muna unahin yung multiplication kasi mas nauna yung multiplication kaysa division dito sa M at D. Pero, mali yung magiging sagot nyo dyan. Kung makikita nyo dito, ang mangyayari dito is magiging 3 divided by 5 plus 6 yun. Siyempre, may attempt ka na i-divide yung 3 at 5. So, magiging decimal siya. I think that is 0.6 plus 6. Yes, that is 6.6. Which is mali yun. Kung titingnan nila sa mga calculator, ang lalabas lagi na sagot dyan is 21. Bakit siya 21? Kasi, ang multiplication at division ay pwedeng pagpalitin yung order basta multiplication and division siya. So, in this case, i-divide mo muna yung 3 sa 1, tapos saka mo siya i-multiply sa 5, then i-add sa 6. Ayan. So, mali yung 6.6 at tama yung 21. Just a thought. Next, know the rules of operations of integers. By this time, dapat alam nyo na yan. Know how to evaluate an exponent. Know the square roots of at least the perfect squares, kahit from 1 to 15 yan. And of course, do not be careless. Yes, kasi may mga tendencies na magiging careless ka dito. Now, let us go back to our expression. Now, kailangan daw nating i-evaluate itong 5x squared plus 5x minus 25 when x is equal to 2. Sabi ko nga, ang evaluating is papalitan mo lahat ng x dito by 2. So, ang mangyayari dito is, lahat ng x ay magiging 2, tapos this time, we will perform our order of operations. Kung makikita nyo dito, yung 2 squared ay naging 4. Tapos, meron tayong 5 times 4 plus 5 times 2 minus 25. Then, MD na tayo. So, kailangan lang natin i-multiply yung 5 times 4 at yung 5 times 2, which is 5 times 4 is 20 and 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So, meron tayong 20 plus 10 minus 25. Then, perform the remaining operations from left to right. Ang sagot natin dito is, that is right, that is 5. So, sana na-gets nyo na yung evaluating algebraic expressions. Now, this time, testingin natin yung mga knowledge ninyo at yung mga natutunan ninyo. Evaluate 3x plus 2y minus 5 if x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. Pwede nyo i-pause yung video kung gusto nyo sagutan. Pero ang solution natin dito is, lahat ng x ay papalitan mo ng 1 at lahat ng y ay papalitan mo ng 5. Kaya ang mangyayari dyan, ganito yung magiging itsura. Mayroon tayong 3 times 1 plus 2 times 5 minus 5. Then again, order of operations, since puro multiplication lang tayo, meron tayong 3 plus 10 minus 5. Ayan. Tapos left to right ulit, ang sagot natin dito is 8. Kasi left to right, addition to subtraction. Hope you get it. Now, let us integrate the previous video lecture at yung ngayon. So, ang next example is verbal expression. Pero kailangan natin muna siyang i-translate. I will give you time to answer. Pwede nyo i-pause. Pero ang solution natin dyan is kailangan muna natin syempre i-translate yung verbal to algebraic. So sabi dito, thrice a number x is diminished by the sum the number y and half of a number z. So ang context dito is, yung thrice a number x daw ay babawasan mo ng sum of a number y at ang kalahati ng z. So kukunin mo muna yung sum ng y at yung kalahati ng z bago mo i-perform yung 3x minus yung sum nito. Sabi ko na expression, so meron tayong 3x minus quantity y plus z over 2. Ayan yung ating algebraic expression. Saka natin papalitan yung mga values. So, meron tayong x is equal to 2, kaya naging 3 times 2, y is equal to 5, tapos z is equal to 6. So, meron tayong 3 times 2 minus the quantity 5 plus 6 over 2. Now, dito, perform muna natin yung mga operations sa parentheses. At sa loob ng parentheses, susundan mo pa rin yung MD at AS. So, ang una mong gagawin is i-perform muna yung 6 over 2 kasi yun ay division. Kaya meron tayong 3 times 2 minus the quantity 5 plus 3. And again, perform na natin yung addition subtraction sa loob ng parentheses. We have 3 times 2 minus 8. Then perform multiplication and division dito sa 3 times 2. We have 6 minus 8. Tapos, perform mo na lang yung addition or subtraction dito, which in this case, 6 minus 8 is equal to negative 2. So, ayun ang ating answer when we evaluated this expression. As usual, before I end the video, meron tayong end of lecture question. What is the product of a number A raised to 2, another number B raised to 3, and another number C if A is equal to negative 3, B is equal to 1, and C is equal to 5. You may leave the answers in the comment section. Ang clue ko pala dito, be careful when we are raising negative numbers kasi we are asked to raise the whole negative 3 by 2. So ayan, nabigyan ko na kayo ng hint. So that is all for this video lecture. Again, ako si Kuya Michael at ako ang inyong algebra instructor for this channel. Thank you for listening and God bless.